If you type for work, school, or life in general, your typing speed matters more than you think. Faster typing saves time, reduces frustration, and especially for remote work, can literally make you more money. The good news, typing speed is 100% trainable. One real example is an illustrator named Tony Rodriguez. He improved his typing speed from about 40 words per minute to 85 words per minute in only 8 months. No hacks, no shortcuts, around 20 minutes a day. If he can do it, so can you. Step 1 is learn proper finger placement. Start with the basics. Place your index finger on F and J. They have the bumps. Left hand rests on A, S, D, F. Right hand on J, K, L. Keep wrists relaxed and straight. This setup lets every finger handle its own keys, which is the foundation of speed. Step 2. Learn touch typing. Touch typing means typing without looking at the keyboard. At first, you'll feel slower, and that's normal. But this is how you build muscle memory, and muscle memory is what creates real speed. Accuracy comes first. Speed follows naturally. Step 3. Use the right tools. There are 2 excellent free tools. keybr.com, great for beginners. It introduces keys gradually using real words. monkeytype.com, perfect for testing speed, accuracy, and pushing limits. Practice full words and sentences, not random smashing. Step 4 is practice consistently. You don't need hours. 20 minutes a day is enough if you're consistent. Daily practice beats long, irregular sessions every time. Step 5. Set smart goals. Don't aim for 100 words per minute immediately. Start with 50-60 words per minute, then slowly increase. Always prioritize accuracy over speed. Always. And step 6. Fix your posture and technique. Sit upright, feet flat on the floor, screen at eye level, because bad posture equals fatigue equals slower typing. And this matters for remote work a lot, because typing speed is a core remote work skill. Whether you are a virtual assistant, customer support rep, writer, data entry specialist, or developer, typing affects productivity, communication, and income. That's why many remote employers care about it. If you want to know where you stand right now, Hirebasis.com offers a free 1-minute typing test you can take instantly, and I will link it in the description. No need to sign up, just check your skill. But if you do sign up, there are hundreds of new remote jobs daily you can use your new typing skills on and earn good money. Typing faster isn't talent. It's technique plus consistency. And if you want deeper benchmarks, what's considered a good typing speed for work, we've also written a full breakdown on our blog, which I will also link in the description. Practice daily, trust the process, and your speed will follow.